All right, so we finally got the excavator running good, back together. We got a few repairs done, and the girls have been hounding me. What are we gonna do?
Clear.
We're gonna clear? You're gonna jump on that sucker for the first time and actually really make that thing go, right? You're gonna make it purr like a kitten?
Yeah.
How about you? Yeah, we're gonna see if these girls can rock this excavator. All right, so here's what we did. We got a new muffler put on this thing, and if you remember that last video, the problem we were having was the muffler was busted off down in there, and it was dropped, or actually the exhaust pipe, and it was dropped down into the muffler, so all this smoke and exhaust was going up under the engine compartment. And then what that was doing was just flooding the air filter with all kinds of soot. It was just packed full. So we changed the air filters, we put a new muffler on, and we changed all the fuel filters, put some additives in, and this sucker is running good now. All right, the 12-year-olds first. Let's see it, Allie. Make it happen. There you go. So first you gotta put this down. There we go. There you go. That one you just used, push out. There you go. Getting it. There's a lot of dirt in there, so don't put it on top of the pile, but put it over here at the base of the burn pile. That's good. I can push it in from there. There you go. That'll get some of that dirt out too. All right. I'll come back when the job's done, okay? You want to keep going? What'd you think, little buddy?
It's awesome.
You have fun? You want to get out there and clear the rest of the property? Yeah. All right, go for it. Start playing around. Grab them controls, buddy. You got this. Just grab them and start playing. That's the only way to learn. There you go. Once you get working with it, you'll figure out what's what, okay? The only way to get good at it is to practice. There we go. Now we're in a better position. She's got something to grab. It's going to be heavy. I don't know how it's going to go. Go grab it. Take that, you gotta push real hard. See that pedal all the way that way? Yeah. You gotta push real hard on the outside of the pedal. Nope, top of the pedal. You gotta push real hard on it. There you go. All right, that's good. Now try to curl the bucket in and try to grab it. Might not be able to grab. Curl in. Other one. Your right hand towards me. There you go. Now try to lift it. Oh, almost. All right, Allie's giving it a shot now. You have fun with that? Might have to walk it a little closer, but we'll see. There you go. You're working that thumb. You got to get on the other side of the stump. Maybe walk it closer. Push both those handles at the same time. Together. There you go. Now you're closer. And get that bucket all the way down over that thing. Don't try to grab it with the tip. There you go. That's good.
Might be too heavy.
Nah, it's just a matter of how to grab it. You want Dad to get up there and try it? All right.
Dad! Be careful!
Alright. Let's go fun.
No, it's not fun. While the two girls work on getting this pile thrown up nice for me, I'm gonna run up and start picking up some more branches. All right, we got this sucker loaded up. A heck of a lot easier than the F-250. Let's get out back and see what these girls have done. I don't see that pile burnt down yet. All right, let's see if there's gonna be any dinner tonight. What'd you get done? The stump
All right. Where'd that come from?
over there.
Sweet. You guys moved that from all the way over there?
Yeah.
Awesome. Good job.
And this long wood thing.
Who got the long wood thing?
Me.
You got that? Who got the stump?
Well, I grabbed it, but I let Emily drop it on there.
Emily got to drop it? Yeah, buddy. Cool. Good job, girls. Well, it's just like a video game. Keep practicing. You'll get better at it.
did a good job.
Girls back on the job. I keep telling them it's just like a video game. They'll get used to it.
Huh?
Keep going. Be like second nature here before too long. Then I can send them out to clear an acre at a time. And I'll sit inside eating bonbons. I really need to get some teeth welded on that thing. It's kind of an unfair game here for them. There you go. Get that sucker in there. Now curl your bucket. Curl your bucket. There you go. Now you got that sucker. Nice. All right, it's good. Don't lift it too high. Now curl the dipper down in towards you. The closer that weight is to the excavator, the less it'll start tipping and rocking on you, okay? There you go. All right, so she got the thing all the way over here and the video quit. So let's go ahead and pick it up and let's see you put it up on the pile there. Use your thumb. There you go, girl. There you go. Yeah. That's really cool. Oh, that might be tough to get now. There's not much to grab. There you go. Use that thumb. See how she's using that thumbie? Yep. There we go. Yeah, now you got it. Set it right there, okay? Right in that little crevice. Allie, move forward. You got that thing, pull it down. You got all that weight way out in front of you. There you go. Now move forward. There you go. There you go. Now put it forward. Put the boom forward. The boom. The boom. There you go. I keep going. Put it up in there a little bit. Push the dipper out now. Try to get it back further. There you go. Now set it down. Set it down a little lower. Now drop it. Good job. Whoa. All right, next up is Emily. She's gonna give it a shot here.
starting to get a feel for it, Ollie? You start noticing that when you got all that weight way out in front of you like that, that's when it starts tipping, huh? So you want to keep that up close to you when you're holding weight. Keep it up close to you and then walk the tracks, right? It's just a matter of practice. You'll get it. No, she can scoot forward. Come a little closer. There you go.
Push them back, yeah.
There you go. Emily! Well, there it goes. It stayed. Awesome, bud. You got a big chunk. What do you think? You having fun? Look at that smile. You gonna buy one? You gonna buy one? All right. He's got another shot at it. Let's go, Emily. You got this. What do you think? Oh, another smile. All right, girls, I am proud of both of you. What do you think? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
We got Jinx. So we got another pile going over there. We'll be able to get this thing burned down again. And I think I'm gonna wait until this rain stops a little bit and we're able to get on the other side of all those piles so that we can just move everything over real quick and get it on that burn pile. But what do you think? You guys gonna be able to do it on your own next time? Maybe when I'm at work one day? Oh yeah, you had fun, didn't you? All right, so I think that's it for now. We just wanted to show you guys what we've been up to. We'll put in a few more videos like this here and there of what's going on around the property and what we're doing and just kind of document it as we go because we got lots of plans for the future. So hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, you know what to do. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to follow along and see more of our little adventures around here. Have a fantastic week, and we'll see you in the next video. Adios.